The RS-16 floor polisher is a 175 RPM low-speed machine that can be used for general floor cleaning and wood floor sanding, as well as a variety of other floor maintenance applications. To install the pad driver or other attachments, make sure the machine is not plugged into a power outlet. Lay the machine on its back so you have access to the clutch plate on the bottom of the machine. Line up the hole on the attachment with the clutch plate and install by turning counterclockwise until it locks in place. Install the pad by pushing it onto the grip face. To operate the floor machine, plug the machine into a wall outlet, lower the handle to hip or belt level and then lock the handle in place. While holding the handle with both hands, push in and hold the safety switch and then squeeze the handle. Once the machine starts, you can release the safety switch. Control the direction of the machine by raising or lowering the handle. Lowering the handle will cause the machine to move to the left, while raising the handle will cause the machine to move to the right. If this is your first time operating a low-speed floor machine, be aware that it takes a little practice to get comfortable controlling the machine's movements. Our recommendation is to find an open area free of obstacles and practice starting the machine a few times. When using the machine in dry applications such as wood floor sanding, install the dust skirt by wrapping it around the machine base and securing it in place with the hook and loop tabs. A vacuum can be attached to the dust hose for dust collection.